Good morning, guys. Hope everyone is doing fine today. My name is Gaurish, and I'm back with about 4 to 5 hot stocks to watch for today. So let's get started, guys. First of all, the most important stock to watch for today. The name of the company is Nano Vericidis. Ticker symbol is NNVC. There is a lot of things going on into this company, and I think this once the market opens, this company will be going up like crazy today because there is a great news. As you can see, before hours volume is 22.3 million. It is up by about 105% today. And the news that came in today morning for this stock was that uh, an NVCoV2 is the company's broad spectrum anti-coronavirus clinical lead drug candidate for the treatment of COVID-19 patients based on its nanoVericidis platform. And in addition, the company is also developing NVCoV2R, a drug treatment that combines the power of both NVCoV2 and remdesivir in a single drug that encapsulates and protects remdesivir inside NVCoV2. So both NVCoV2 and NVCoV2R are expected to work against most, if not all, coronavirus and their variants based on the company's findings on their preclinical effectiveness. And NVCoV2R is designed to attack both the virus reinfection cycle outside cells and the virus replication cycle inside cells. NVCoV2R is thus potentially a cure for COVID-19 infection by virtue of attacking the total virus life cycle. So this is the permanent solution for COVID-19, and I think nanoversities will be going a long way today. So please be invested into this stock if you want to earn some profits today, because I think this once once the research goes on and if the FDA approves their test, then I think this is the stock that will be booming by about, I don't know where it'll be going. So, and this company will be making huge profits out of that as well. So keep that in mind, and I think this is the company to watch, and this is the stock to watch for this month as well, because they are working on their research, and once that research results come out, people are going to buy it crazily. So this is the first stock to watch and very most important stock to watch. Second stock to watch, name of the company is Communication Systems Inc. Ticker symbol is JCS. Pre-market price is 7.34. It is up by about 37% right now. Before us volume is 519,000. A news that came in today morning at 7 a.m. for this stock was that Communication System announces agreement to merge with Pineapple Energy LLC. The third stock, name of the company, this is a merger agreement, and once this merger happens, before that it'll be increasing, and once this merger happens it'll be going down. This is the same with all the stocks. So before merger the stock increases, and once the merger is done it goes down. The third stock, name of the company is Strata Skin Sciences. Ticker symbol is SSKN. Pre-market price is 2.28. It is up by about 31% right now. Before our volume is 2.9 million. News for this stock that came in today morning, yesterday around market close at 5:35 p.m. states that Strata Skin Sciences announces inducement grants under Nasdaq listing rule 5635C4. So this is the third stock to watch because of this news, and it is not that powerful, but as the volume is increasing slowly and steadily, that's why I suggested this stock as well. But keep watching. If the momentum is good, if it crosses the pre-market highs, then only invest into these stocks. For NVC and for Riot, I am pretty much bullish. Both of them are going to go up. So you can invest in these stocks for long term, and all the rest three stocks for short term. For today, just day trading. Okay. The fourth stock, name of the company is CHF Solutions. Ticker symbol is CHFS. Pre-market price is 9.34. That is up by about 22.5% right now. Before us volume is 292,000. Name of the news that came in for this stock at 8 a.m. today was that CHF Solutions announces 49.5% increase in revenue for fourth quarter 2020. Provides company update. So because of good quarterly results, this stock went up, and and there are some good developments going on to this company. If you want, you can go to MarketWatch and search for this heading, and you will find this news. You can go through this news. The last stock name of the company is Riot Blockchain. I have been suggesting this stock from when it was around $8, and it is following Bitcoin. And if you are new to this channel, then Bitcoin is going to be huge according to my research, and I think Riot is the stock which follows Bitcoin. So I would like you guys to invest into Riot as well if you're not able to invest into Bitcoin. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you like my videos. Hope you earn some profits from them, and keep liking and subscribing my videos, because this helps a lot. Also, again, this is the most important stock to watch, Nanoversity, ticker symbol is NNVC, because there are some great news on COVID-19. So please research, read, and then invest into this stock. But I am pretty much sure that once the market opens, this is the stock to watch today. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day.